Well, hello there. I hope you're having a fabulous day. Let's go make some lunch, shall we?
Moonlight peeks through the curtains. Another night, another fight. How do you feel? Are you hurting? Maybe we should take some time. I think I tend to take you for granted, but I think with me.
Oh, this looks so tasty. Oh, that's really good. Well, I think I'm gonna leave you here and I'm going to enjoy the rest of my lunch with my cute little child. Bye.